Hello everyone, this is Nilo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open your Play Store account or how to open your Google account. So most of the people are not able to open your Google account or Play Store account, so that's why I'm doing this video. So in this video I will show how you can easily open your Google account or Play Store account within 1 or 2 minutes. So let's start this video. First of all, you have to open the Play Store application. After that you will see this type of page. So here you can see sign in option, so click on the sign in option. After clicking the sign in option you will see this type of interface. So here you can either sign in your Google account that you already have. So if you don't have, then you have to click on the create account option. After that you will see two options, for business or for personal use. So I'm creating the account for my personal use, so I'm clicking the personal use option. So then you have to enter your first name, so write down your first name and then click on the next option, and then you will have options for selecting your date of birth. So I'm just selecting my date of birth, and just click on the month option and then select your month, date of birth month. So, and then write date and then year. After that select gender, click on the gender option, and then if you are female then select female, and if you are male then select male option, and then click on the next option. After that you will have the username. So you can either select the username they give you, or you can create it by your own. So if you want to create it on your own, then click on the create your own Gmail address. Then you can write a Gmail address that you want. Just I'm showing you that how you enter the Gmail address. So I'm just writing my name and then write down some numbers, and then click on the next option. So I'm clicking on the next option, and then you have to write a password for your account. So I'm just writing a password for my account. After writing password, then click on the next option. After click on the next option, you will have, after clicking on the next button, you will see this type of interface. So here you have to scroll down, then you will see I agree option. So click on the I agree option, and then you are done. You can now install any type of application from Play Store. So this is the video. If you like this video, click on the like button, and if you want to subscribe my YouTube channel, then hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.